1. 1982 Pro Street Camaro. Price: $18,000. Located: Decatur, Illinois. The 1982 Pro Street Camaro is a remarkable representation of early 1980s American muscle modified for drag racing and street performance. This car has been carefully built with a strong focus on durability and speed. It features a built 400 engine equipped with billet roller rockers and chromoly push rods, ensuring both strength and reliability under demanding conditions. Although the exact cam specifications are not confirmed, the overall setup delivers impressive performance. The narrowed 9-inch rear end provides enhanced traction, while the roll cage and tubbed-out body emphasize its readiness for serious racing. The exterior maintains a clean and aggressive look, reflecting the pro street culture of blending street legality with drag strip capability. Inside, the car is functional and race-oriented, designed to support the driver during high-performance runs. The seller describes the vehicle as being in fantastic shape, highlighting its potential for either continued street use or competitive drag racing. Additionally, the owner is open to trades, specifically considering a 3/4-ton Chevy or Mopar truck in good condition, or even a Harley trike, showing flexibility in the transaction. This Camaro stands as a solid example of a well-maintained pro street build, offering enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of classic American performance engineering with both heritage and raw power. 2. 1963 Nova 2 Pro Street. Price: $35,000. Located: Genoa, Ohio. The 1963 Nova 2 Pro Street is a beautifully executed build that blends vintage styling with modern drag racing performance. This car is powered by a new Blueprint 396 small block engine, paired with a built TH350 transmission and a B&M Holeshot 2500 converter, ensuring strong acceleration and reliability. The drivetrain is supported by a new 3 hours 91 minutes center section, ladder bars, and QA1 adjustable rear shocks, giving the Nova excellent traction and control on the strip. It rides on massive 31-16-15 Mickey Thompson tires, emphasizing its pro street stance. Safety and rigidity are enhanced by a 10-point cage, while Wilwood disc brakes provide superior stopping power. The ignition system features HEI with a DUI 50,000 coil, delivering consistent spark for high-performance runs. Additional upgrades include a new transmission cooler, Church Boys bolt-in rack, and a high-performance oil pan, all contributing to the car's durability and racing readiness. The seller highlights that the vehicle is in good condition and remains available, discouraging unnecessary inquiries. With its combination of classic looks and modern racing technology, this Nova 2 Pro Street is a serious contender for enthusiasts seeking a drag-ready machine that still carries the charm of early 1960s Chevrolet design. 3. 1969 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed. Price: $18,000. Located: Belle Plaine, Kansas. The 1969 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed is a vintage truck that has been transformed into a drag-ready machine while retaining its classic pickup charm. This vehicle has seen extensive modifications, including a tube chassis setup designed for racing. It features a rear 4-link suspension system, GM 12-bolt rear with strange axles, and AFCO coilovers on all 4 corners, ensuring stability and traction under high-performance conditions. The braking system is upgraded with Wilwood disc brakes, while the powertrain boasts a fresh 383 small block Chevy engine with solid roller components and 11.5:1 compression. Fuel delivery is handled by a 1050 Dominator carburetor running on 110 race gas, paired with an MSD crank trigger ignition system for precise timing. The transmission is a Powerglide with brake, supported by advanced drag racing electronics such as a delay box, MSD 3-step, and line lock. The truck's exterior includes fiberglass front clip, Lexan windows, and a steel cab, doors, and bed, balancing weight reduction with durability. With a full race weight of 2,682 pounds, this Chevrolet 1500 is built for serious drag racing. The seller is open to trades, particularly for big block Chevy or LS-based street cars, making this truck a versatile option for racers and collectors alike. 4. 1965 Mercury Caliente. Price: $19,500. Located: Ash Grove, Missouri. The 1965 Mercury Caliente is a rare and distinctive classic that has been meticulously built for drag racing or pro street use. With only 300 miles driven since completion, this car is essentially brand new despite its vintage roots. The seller emphasizes that everything has been done correctly, with no shortcuts taken during the build process. The Caliente features an automatic transmission and a powerful gasoline engine, delivering both reliability and performance. Its exterior is finished in a striking blue color, complemented by a black interior that enhances its sporty appeal. The car is equipped with modern racing components, ensuring it is ready for competition while still maintaining the elegance of mid-1960s Mercury styling. The seller notes that the vehicle is being offered at half the build cost, making it an exceptional opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a fully prepared pro street machine. With its combination of rarity, performance, and craftsmanship, the 1965 Mercury Caliente stands out as a unique option in the classic car market. It is ideal for collectors who appreciate both the heritage of Mercury and the thrill of drag racing, offering a blend of show-quality presentation and track-ready capability. 5. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Price: $15,000. Located: Willard, Missouri. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Pro Street is a bold sedan that has been transformed into a high-performance machine. This car features an aluminum 5.3 engine with upgraded rods and pistons, secured by half-an-inch head studs for durability under extreme conditions. It is paired with a 400 transmission brake and a quick-performance 9-inch rear end, ensuring strong launches and reliable power delivery. On the dyno, the Malibu produced over 900 horsepower at the hub with a 200 shot of nitrous, making it a serious contender on the drag strip. The exterior is finished in black, giving it a menacing look that matches its performance capabilities. The interior remains functional, designed to support racing needs while retaining the classic Malibu charm. The seller notes that the car may need minor adjustments, such as lifting the rear or fitting shorter coilovers, but overall it is in excellent condition. This vehicle is offered with no trades and a firm price, reflecting the confidence in its build quality and performance. For enthusiasts seeking a powerful pro street sedan with proven horsepower and a strong racing pedigree, the 1979 Chevrolet Malibu represents an exciting opportunity to own a piece of late 1970s Chevrolet history with modern drag racing upgrades. 6. 1969 Pro Street Chevy Blown Show and Go. Price: $40,000. Located: Hamilton, Ohio. The 1969 Pro Street Chevy is a true classic muscle car built with precision and quality, designed to impress both on the drag strip and at car shows. This is not a clone or a project but a fully realized pro street build. It features a blown engine with dual carburetors and a nitrous system, delivering immense power and an aggressive sound that commands attention. The rear is tubbed for drag readiness, giving the car its unmistakable stance. The engine bay is clean and meticulously detailed, showcasing the craftsmanship behind the build. This Chevy is loud, unapologetic, and built to perform, embodying the raw spirit of late 1960s muscle cars. The seller emphasizes that the car is meant to be driven and shown, making it versatile for enthusiasts who want both performance and presentation. With its combination of classic styling, modern upgrades, and drag-ready setup, the 1969 Pro Street Chevy stands out as a weekend warrior and showpiece. It is offered with a clean title and stored indoors, ensuring its preservation. For collectors and racers alike, this vehicle represents a rare opportunity to own a genuine pro street icon that blends heritage with uncompromising performance. 7. 1968 Camaro Pro Street Roller. Price: $20,000. Located: Moraine, Ohio. The 1968 Camaro Pro Street Roller is a purpose-built classic designed for big block power and drag racing performance. This car is set up for a big block engine paired with a 400 turbo transmission, making it an ideal foundation for serious racers. It includes numerous new parts such as a Moser 9-inch rear end, ladder bars, coilovers, and a race pack dash, ensuring modern reliability and performance. The fuel system and Willwood brakes are also new, providing safety and efficiency. While the drivetrain will be removed upon deposit, the car remains turnkey and ready for customization. The Camaro retains its factory dash and glass windows, with the exception of side windows, which are lightweight alternatives. Additional features include a glass deck lid and hood, working lights, and a clean title in the seller's name. The vehicle will be sold with weld draglight wheels, though new billet beadlock wheels and tires are available for the right price. This roller offers enthusiasts the chance to build a powerful pro street Camaro tailored to their preferences, combining the timeless design of the 1968 model with modern racing components. It is a solid investment for those seeking a drag-ready classic with flexibility for future upgrades. 8. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda. Price, $20,000. Located, Omaha, Nebraska. The 1969 Plymouth Barracuda is a classic muscle car that continues to capture the imagination of enthusiasts with its bold design and racing heritage. This particular example is powered by a built 360 Magnum engine paired with a 904 transmission and a Dana 60 rear end, ensuring strong performance and durability. The car features a new glass hood and reproduction grills, adding to its authenticity while maintaining a fresh look. The exterior is finished in red, complemented by a matching red interior, creating a striking visual appeal that reflects the era's bold styling choices. Although the seller notes some exterior and engine compartment damage, the vehicle remains in fair condition with a clean title, making it a solid foundation for restoration or continued use. The Barracuda's reputation as a competitor to the Mustang and Camaro of its time adds to its desirability, and its drag racing potential makes it appealing to performance-oriented buyers. Offered at $20,000 or best offer, this Plymouth Barracuda represents both a piece of Mopar history and an opportunity for enthusiasts to own a classic that blends style, heritage, and raw muscle power. 9. 1968 Camaro Drag Car. Price, $17,500. Located, Bonne Terre, Missouri. The 1968 Camaro drag car is a purpose-built racing machine designed for serious competition. This car features a 4-link suspension system, double frame rails, and a Fab 9 floater rear end, ensuring maximum strength and traction under extreme racing conditions. Built entirely from steel, the Camaro retains its classic body integrity while incorporating modern drag racing technology. It is being sold as a roller, meaning the drivetrain is not included, but the chassis and components are fully prepared for customization. The vehicle comes equipped with double beadlock wheels and massive 16 by 33 tires at the rear, emphasizing its drag-ready stance. The seller describes the car as being in like-new condition, highlighting the quality of the build and the potential for future performance. With a clean and functional setup, this Camaro offers enthusiasts the chance to install their preferred powertrain and tailor the vehicle to their racing needs. At $17,500, it represents a strong investment for those seeking a competitive drag car with the timeless appeal of a first-generation Camaro. 10. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Tube Chassis Roller. Price, $19,500. Located, Locust Grove, Oklahoma. The 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Tube Chassis Roller is a striking drag car project that combines classic styling with modern racing engineering. Finished in Kawasaki lime green paint, the car stands out with its bold appearance and custom details, including beadlocks engraved with train station and aluminum door panels featuring a silhouette of the character RIP from Yellowstone. Built on a full 2x3 tube chassis, the Chevelle incorporates steel roof and quarters with VFN fiberglass components for weight reduction. It includes a full cage with a funny car cage, Lexan windows, and a carbon fiber containment seat, ensuring safety and rigidity. The suspension setup features rack and pinion steering, tubular A-arms, QA1 coilovers in front, and Viking coilovers in the rear, providing precise handling. The rear end is a 9-inch Ford Moser housing with a 430 Pro Series center section and 35 spline axles, designed for big tire performance. Although currently set up for small tires, the car can easily be adapted. Offered at $19,500, the seller emphasizes that the vehicle is available immediately and will not be held. This Chevelle represents a serious drag racing platform with unique styling, making it an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts ready to complete a high-performance build. 11. 1968 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $35,000. Located, Burlington, Iowa. The 1968 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a beautifully preserved example of late 1960s Chevrolet engineering, offering both performance and timeless design. This particular Malibu has been driven 27,652 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, giving enthusiasts the authentic driving experience of a true muscle car. Under the hood lies a 396 cubic inch engine paired with an M21 close ratio 4-speed gearbox and a Ford 9-inch rear end, delivering strong acceleration and durability. The braking system has been upgraded with disc brakes on both the front and rear, ensuring reliable stopping power. Finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, the car maintains its bold and sporty appeal. The seller notes that this is not an SS model, but it comes with extensive parts and maintenance records dating back to 2004, highlighting its well-documented history and care. With 3 or more previous owners, the Malibu has been cherished and maintained over the years, retaining a clean title and showing no significant damage or problems. Offered at $35,000, this vehicle represents an opportunity to own a classic Chevrolet that blends heritage, performance, and authenticity. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, the 1968 Malibu Classic stands as a valuable piece of American automotive history, ready to be enjoyed on the road or showcased at events.